Okay, I vacuumed, I didn't see anything in there, but stinky water that doesn't go down. And I put sulfuric acid in there. Everything got really stinky, so I'm assuming it's a turd. And I put hot water down the sink. Got another big hot pot of water right here. I'm going to pour in the toilet hole. And the bathtub hole. Everything seems to start moving. It's like my third pot of hot water. So I'm going to pour it down and see how it goes. Let me put my phone down. Maybe you could see. Okay. Here goes. Things are going down. Maybe it's melting poo. I don't know. I'm going to throw some in the bathtub. Oh, hold on. I don't want to ruin my phone. Okay, I just poured that down. That seems to be going good. Yeah, that weird crust came out of the drain after I put the sulfuric acid. Hope it didn't ruin the bathtub. Because I'm not a professional. I'm just a grandma. But I hear stuff. I believe it's going down. Success.